It's Jack. Jack. Anyway, hello everyone, this is the Clay Railways, and I have a package, and basically this is the second time me trying to record this, because, you know, I didn't black it out because I don't really know. I don't want any people stalking me. Anyways, so we have Mr. Kniff, and we're gonna open this. So basically, I ordered several things off of eBay. ERTL things, that's why Mr. Jacques is here. And FYI, this is my only ERTL item. I don't know, I just have him for some reason, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, so all the stuff I ordered was all from one seller, but then there was this one thing that wasn't, and basically this is probably that one thing, because, you know, I ordered a bunch of things. I can kill two things, maybe, I don't really fucking know. So let's open this. Yay! I'm probably gonna, knowing my luck, my stupidity, I'm probably gonna, you know, just absolutely obliterate what's inside here, and that'll be quite depressing. Yeah. Just, keep cutting. This is the best commentary known to man. Heck yes. Oh, heck yes. Dude, I got some newspapers. I can read the newspapers and, you know, maybe download, you know, maybe get a free download to, I don't know, season 4 of the news, the best thing ever. Not a reference to, Troublesome Thomas, if you know what I'm talking about, tell me. Random scary things. Is there anything in there? Nope. Is there anything in here? No. Oh, bubble wrap. Heck yes. So anyway. First thing. Oh, never mind, the only thing. Oh, these are actually really small. That's actually really awesome. Okay, you can probably see them. Plus the title is probably, you know, what it is. And can you believe that I posted something, like 2 things in 1 week? Wow, look at me. So you can see them, what they are. They are ERTL Troublesome trucks. You probably totally didn't know that. Because, you know, they're totally not in your freaking face right now. And, you know, you probably didn't read the title, obviously, because, you know, who reads the titles nowadays, am I right? Kill me. Anyway, I'm just gonna attempt to take these nerds out. You know, it's not really working out that well, but, oh. Okay. Wow, that is extremely nice. Going back on these old items is very nice. I'm gonna just focus on that. Because, you know, the shit that we have produced from Mattel, thank you, is just really fucked. And having this is amazing. Can this thing, like, you know, focus? So basically, this is one of the trucks, and it has a face, much like one of the Hornby trucks. Matter of fact, both of the ERTL trucks are a lot like the Hornby ones. Well, the faces, more like, I'm sorry for this not focusing properly. Shit, I'm trying to get this to focus, but it's not really working. There we go, you can actually see it. Yay, my fingers are dirty from stuff, it's okay. But yeah, you can see the face quite well right there. Very nice detailing and stuff. And they actually have their little stickers, or whatever the buffers are. And it has their pen, yay! So, Jock can actually fold them. So just put that back there, and now it's not focusing. It'll focus for 5 minutes, and then, you know, it'll just stop, because, you know, fucking everything hates me. Wow, this is a very nice truck as well. It is, yeah, I think these are the only 2 variants of Troublesome trucks. Correct me if I'm wrong from ERTL. I think there's, tankers. I don't remember. Anyway, I'm not a, ERTL enthusiast myself, but I want to collect a lot of them. What is that? What's that sound? That's terrifying me. Anyway, this is closed as, and, if I don't upload a video within a month, then I'm probably dead. Anyway, here's this face. It has closed eyes, and it's very nice. These, you know, these truck faces just, you know, scream Thompson Wren's charm, and they're just, oh my god, I love them. They're great. And this one has its pen as well. I actually got these both for, wait for it, $8, not each, for both of these, which is extremely good price. The best price I've actually personally ever seen, which is very nice. And I know, Jock is not, I know Jock is not a, let me put this Kniff away. I know Jock is not a standard gauge, and these trucks basically are, But, you know, ERTL is mean, and they, you know, they don't freaking scale anything correctly. I'm kidding, but, like, yeah. I actually don't know how to work this thing. Here, I'm gonna couple them this way, because, you know, the Jock has, like, the thing, because he's the litter, you know, I'm just gonna, like, not break these 5 seconds having them. So, yeah, this is basically, the trucks. This is what they look like with Jockey. And, yeah, more ERTL unboxings will, come. And, yeah, here are their bases and their stoof one last time. And, yeah, that's basically it. They're Troublesome trucks. Not too much to say about them. They are from a year or something that I can't read. 1990 and 1990. Shit. So yeah, that's really it. If you want to see more memes that I post for some reason, tell me. And more ERTL unboxings will to come very, very soon. And buy people's. And if you liked the stuff, comment and tell me stuff, because I have no life. See ya, bye. Is gems.